Hi guys, in this video I will guide you on how to send files from mobile phone to a Google TV. Now over here I am using the Skyworth Google TV, but it doesn't matter the brand of Google TV you have, whether it's the Hisense Google TV, Sony, TCL Google TV, or even a Google TV box. This tutorial will work out pretty well for you. Also, whether you have an Android phone or an iPhone, this will also work out very well for you. All you have to do is to first of all head over to the app section of your Google TV. So using your remote control, you want to navigate to the app section. Make sure you're actually connected to the internet, then scroll down to this search input field over here. Go ahead and enter that input field, then proceed to search for the app known as the Send Files to TV app. So just type Send Files, and after typing, you just want to go ahead and click on this search icon over here. Now you can literally see the Send Files to TV application over here. Go ahead and select it on your result, and then proceed to download and install this application into your Google TV regardless of the brand. Now, while the app is downloading and installing, you want to come over to your phone, head over to the Google Play Store or App Store if you're using an iPhone. Click on the search icon at the bottom, then come over to this search input field, and then also search for the Send Files to TV application as well. Now, you can literally see the suggestion. I'll just go ahead and select it, and then make sure I also download and install the Send Files to TV application into my iPhone or Android phone. And finally, now that we have the Send Files to TV application on our phone and then on our Google TV, what you want to do is to open it up on your Google TV directly from here. Go through all of the on-screen instructions and then just click on Done. Click on Allow as well. Just give it any permission it requires. Then also click on the Allow button over here so that it can actually access the files on your Google TV. So once you see the Allow access to manage your files, you want to just locate the Send Files to TV application from over here and toggle on this permission as well. Once it is turned on, you can now come back to the application again. If you want to come over to your phone as well, proceed to open up the Send Files to TV application on your iPhone or Android phone, and also give it all of the permission and then set up the app as well. So click on the check button, click on Done, and also give it permission to access the files on your Android phone or iPhone as well. Give it access to everything on the phone so that it can actually access anything you want to send. And then finally, also make sure you click on the Allow button over here. Also make sure you check this and then just go back to the Send Files to TV application one more time. And now to connect and send or transfer files like your videos, photos, or documents from your mobile phone to the Google TV, you want to first of all make sure that both devices are actually connected to the same Wi-Fi network or hotspot network, and then you want to proceed to click on the send button from your phone. Basically, we are sending from our phone into the Google TV, so you want to click on the send option on the phone over here. This is going to access all of the folders on your phone, so you want to locate where you have the files like your photos, your videos, or documents. So if I go over to downloads, you're going to see that I have some photos over here, and I can actually select any of these photos to send. Long press on that particular photo, video, or file, just like so, and then you want to go ahead and select more photos if you have more photos you want to send to your Google TV. And then once you select all of them, you want to click on the check button over here, and automatically it will start to look for available devices that are connected to the same Wi-Fi network as your phone. If you do not find the name of your Google TV from over here, just make sure that both devices are on the same Wi-Fi, and you should be able to find the name of your Google TV. So I'll select mine, and automatically all of this will be sent into my Google TV. And as you can see, it is currently showing succeeded. You can directly click here to open it by just selecting on the file over here, or automatically you can come back to the home of your Google TV. And if you have any file manager application like mine, I have this file manager application over here that accesses all of the files on my Google TV. And if I come over to images, because I basically sent images, if I come over to images over here, under downloads, you can basically see some of the photos and videos I have actually sent from my phone into my Google TV. And I can as well go ahead and open them directly from here if I want. And that will be all on today's video. Please let me know if this video was helpful, guys.